gonna go in like a 45-degree angle. The reason that I'm doing this because you see the mostly is the bulkiness on here. I'm gonna clean this one up. I always go in with the sand beads first. I love the sand beads. Is a lifesaver. So all of you who is really afraid of, we got a lot of students who say, oh my god, Nancy, I think I over filing the client's nails, so that's why it looks lumpy, bumpy, and I think it's not good. I keep filing it, and that probably you did it too much. Going from a right to the left. When you lay your thumbs in here, you see that it's not bulky anymore, right? Usually I have two thumbs I put in right here so you can see it. Everybody, a lot of different techniques, good traditional original techniques. And then good. Move on to the next one. The same. Interesting, everyone. I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. I feel like it's fun, but sometimes it's like a boring, like how. Always for the new beginners, always have your support stationary fingers. Doesn't matter however you polish the nails or you using an e-file, anything you do. If you have that, so it's keep your hand, the holding the e-file is stable. So then when you move different strokes of your filing, it doesn't like make it easy. It doesn't. It's goal consistency. I have to say that because off. Okay, go that way. I'm using this because I remove the bulkiness and the winess on the side. Turn the finger like that. So you can see that, like I got that file off a lot with the manual file already. So now this part is just again on the side. The phone is dying. Let me drop it. Sorry, Facebook, I didn't get to see the question. My phone is dead. Interesting, you're doing your own nails. Usually I do this nail first. I do the hardest one first. And interesting to do the other hand as well. And I'm so OCD with my nails. If I do my hand, I usually left, I do for the right first. And then like lay the powder, I will do the left for the right. And then if I polish, gel polish, I would do the left for the right first. Or crystal placement, I will do a left for the right first. Then I'm using a right to do my left last. I will do the most difficult one first, so my brain can focus, like so my right brain, because when my left hand using it, then my right brain's working. So I want to challenge it first. See how easy it is? Okay. It looks great. Just a little bit bulkiness here. I'm gonna give it a little bit using this, the file. It's a powerful file. You can get pretty much everything. And now, here, so I'll dust my hands off. Dust it off. Here is another way beside the shape you're gonna do. You're gonna using this same. What the clear using, Miss Teresa? I use CND clear. I'm gonna show you. Hold it straight. This will give you a really precise cut for your coffin. This is only for coffin. Wow. Also for stiletto as well, you can do that. And for the almond too. Just go right on the edges of it. Don't go too far to getting cut in the client's fingers. I'm using a CND retention. Teresa. Yep, I'm doing my own nails because I have so many requests on even YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So I think I gotta fulfill all of your wish for somehow, some way.